Now next topic is function. It is also known as mapping. You have already studied in class 11. Function f from a to b is a relation from a to b such that every element of a should be related to unique element of b. What is the meaning of this? Suppose a and b two sets are given. Here elements are a, b, c and here elements are p, q, r. The elements of b is known as image of a and the elements of A is known as pre-image of B. Suppose this is f, we can relate with function f. Then you can see what is the condition. Every element of A should be related to unique element of B. This is the main thing. यानी A के सारे एलिमेंट B के एलिमेंट से रिलेट होने चाहिए. Now see here, the element of A is not related. Now ये जो A एलिमेंट है ये B के किसी भी एलिमेंट से रिलेट नहीं हो रहा. Then we can say it is not a function क्योंकि ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. Now see here also, every element of A, suppose this is set A and this is set B, should be related to unique element of B. Now see here, the element of A का एक एलिमेंट B के दो एलिमेंट से रिलेट हो रहा है. B is related to P and B is related to Q. But what is the condition? Element of A should be related to unique element. ए का एलिमेंट बी के एक ही एलिमेंट से रिलेट होना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ ए का एक एलिमेंट बी के दो एलिमेंट से रिलेट हो रहा है. दिस इम्प्लाई दैट इट नॉट ए फंक्शन. नाउ सी हियर, एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ ए शुड बी रिलेटेड टू यूनिक एलिमेंट ऑफ बी, देन वी कैन से इट इज ए फंक्शन. यहाँ बी में ऐसा हो सकता है कि बी में कोई एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा हो सकते हैं, बट देयर शुड बी नो एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट इन ए. नाउ सी डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन, सेट ऑफ ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स फॉर विच वी कैन फाइंड एनी रियल वैल्यू ऑफ वाई. Range of the function, set of all values of y which we can find after putting the value of x is known as range of the function. Then so many functions you have already studied in class 11. Identity function, y equal to x, constant function, polynomial functions, modulus function or absolute function, signum function, y equal to mod of x upon x if x is not equal to 0 and 0 if x equal to 0, greatest integer function. There are so many functions you have already studied in class 11th. Now see some new functions are there. Equal function, two functions f and g are called equal function if domain of f equal to domain of g, and second condition is fx equal to gx. You can take any example. Let function is defined, any function is defined from a to b and this g also defined from a to b. What is the condition? Domain of f equal to domain of g means set a 0 2. You can take another set b 1 2 3 4 5. Then let fx is given 2x plus 1. This is the linear function, and suppose gx equal to x square plus 1. It is quadratic function. Now you can take here a set a. In set a, how many elements are there? Two elements, 0 and 2. And set b 1 2 3 4 5. Now you can take this. It is known as y equal to fx function. We can take y equal to fx, or this function fx equal to 2x plus 1. Now see, you can put x equal to 0, y equal to 1, x equal to 0, then y equal to 1, x equal to 2, then you will get y equal to 5. Similarly here you can see gx, another function is there, x square plus 1. अगर आप यहाँ x की वैल्यू 0 पुट करेंगे, then what will you get? y equal to 1, and if x equal to 2, then y equal to 5. Similarly, monotonic function, a function which is either increasing or decreasing is called a monotonic function. For example, y equal to 3x minus 1, y equal to 1 minus 3x. This increasing or decreasing function you will study in application of derivative, or we can say next chapter you can see after derivative. Now see even or odd function. Already I have explained in class 11. For even function, fx equal to f of minus x. That is fx equal to x square. You can take, suppose fx equal to x square. अगर हम x की जगह minus x पुट कर दें, you can take minus x square. This also equal to x square. This implies that f of x equal to f of minus x. You can take another example. f of x equal to cos x. यहाँ x की जगह minus x पुट कर दीजिए. cos minus x. This also equal to cos x. This implies that fx equal to f of minus x. What is odd function condition? Condition is fx equal to minus of f of minus x, then function is known as odd function. What is the condition? x की जगह क्या पुट कर देंगे यहाँ? minus x whole cube, then you will get minus x cube. This implies that fx equal to minus of f of minus x. Hence this function is known as odd function. Now see implicit function. ए फंक्शन इन विच वी कैन नॉट राइट बाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स। अगर हम बाई को एक्स के टर्म में ना लिख पाएँ देन द फंक्शन इज नोन एज इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाई प्लस साइन बाई इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, वी कैन नॉट राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ बाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर। द रेस्ट फंक्शंस नोन एज द explicit function. For example, y equal to x square plus 1, y equal to x minus 2, easily we can write down the value of y in terms of x. This is simple introduction of function.